dancing to the rhythm of the rain. How could I go wrong? God was ruling my mind. I must have been blind, dancing to the rhythm of the rain. How could I go wrong? God was ruling my mind. I must have been blind.
Let's blaze, what a way to escape. What's a way for you to waste away your days of mistakes? Eyes glossy, glazed over like donuts and cakes. You're happy with somebody, so you wish and hope that it's fate. But what if it's fake? Hell of a scam the whole time. All for the pie, you know, key lime. If it all ended today, at least you tried. It was a nice ride, time to go inside yourself and take a look at the person and how it's hurting. Like, how could somebody love you for years and then desert you? What's the whole purpose? Experience and learning. Exterior is strong, but inside you're certainly burning. Take two of these, that's the remedy for anything. You could be happy or else at least pretend to be own biggest enemy. Killing self slow. They tell you hold on loose but never let go.
Dancing to the rhythm of the rain. How could I go wrong? God was ruling my mind. I must have been blind.
Yo, I still remember the first time I realized that life wasn't picture perfect. My father packing up his things to leave his kids deserted. The rain reflecting off the windows as it hit the surface. I wonder if he thinks the shit was worth it as I sit here and write another one, puffing on another blunt, zoning till my buzz is done. Proud to be my mother's son, see, she taught me to always be calm and pensive and live my life without ever regretting mistakes and consequences. My strongest lessons as a young fella. You see, I've done hella running through the rain with no umbrella, but no complaining, it just forces us to become better. Winter time, one sweater, dinner time comes fed us. I sit and think about the wisdom that I've gained, reminiscing as I listen to the rhythm of the rain. I'm driven and persistent with my vision and my aim. If I did it all again, I would live this all the same.
Dancing to the rhythm of the rain. How could I go wrong? God was ruling my mind. I must have been blind.
Yeah, I'm storm chasing, and she's an F5 with a sex drive that'll leave me tied to her bedside. Hurricane hips, stopping all progression. Serotonin levels drop, tropical depression. She is my professor, and I've been taught a lesson that in the eye of the storm, the pressure's barometric. She knows I'm wary of her game plan, but when she gambles, she can count on me. I'm a rain man, damn shame, man. The fly stewardess, mental turbulence, head off in the cumulus, blaming the weather or whatever for her moodiness. My main star, but I'm barely on her radar, and so my heart sinks, or the pain floats. I'm in a shitstorm, should've wore a raincoat. The clouds break and I can tell it's over, cause she's my sunshine, but I'm catching melanoma. Come on.
To the rhythm of the rain.
So let the rain fall down.
How could I go wrong?
Let it fall, let it fall.
Was ruling my mind.
So let the rain fall down.
I must have